Hey, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make this really cool turn and play system. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's make a new variable called turning. Then let's do a custom event. Trust me, call it play, turn, and branch, boom, boom. So, what if we're already turning? Do nothing. Now, if we're not turning previously, start turning. Then let's play a montage. First thing you're gonna need to do is get yourself some turning animations, preferably 90 degrees. Let's go. So now we just assign that to our mannequin, bulk edit, turn on root motion and force the lock. Save. So now inside of our play montage, we'll force our mesh here, then we'll plug this in to a montage to play. Let's set this up at 1.5 because it's too slow. Then we will delay this by about half a second. The delay is for when it's safe. If you have a animation that needs like 2 turn-in places, how long should it wait before it can safely cut to the next one? Speaking of montages, let's create those. Done. So preferably I'd make a notify, but whatever. So now that let's not turn anymore, so that if we still have to, we can just we can play the animation again. So now we simply have to now let's do a function called turn. Do a branch, then call this is turning right. Then if we are turning right, play the turn animation. Wow, this is easy. Turn right. If not, must be left. Turn left. Congratulations, that's it for the function. Create another function, call this disable current root anim. So this will just remove any montage that's doing root motion. Do a branch, A is playing anim root motion, then if so, get montage, then just stop it immediately. Congratulations, that's it for this function. So now, here comes the fun part. Turn in place. This is where it all happens. Alright, let's get right into it. First, we need yet another if statement. But what do we slap into our if statement? A is falling to make sure that we're not doing anything. Get velocity to make sure we're genuinely staying still. Length it so that this is just for like safe measures. Then not on both of them. Not, then what? Oh, greater than 0. So then and so that if we're falling and we're staying still, we're good to go. If so, let's go on to another branch. Get actor rotation, base aim rotation, delta them both. Break this, multiply by -1. This negates it. So now we will just do a greater than 45 degrees. Trust me. Then a less than 45 degrees. Then -45. So now we need an or. So this is like the trigger on what to play our animation on. Then we are in the range or out of range to play the turn animation. We'll get these back, simply copy them, plop one here, boop, put them all in your negated delta that I previously mentioned. A turn, with this one we are going above 90 degree, 45, and with this we are turning left. So now go into just pop this into turn in place into our aim, and let's see. You're done.